My 30 definition of terms in Leia 3. Number 1. Command responsibility cannot be delegated, but the security task can be assigned. Number 2. Compartmentation, need to know basis. Number 3. Balance between security and efficiency. Security prevails over efficiency. Number 4. General principles of security remain constant. Specific measures to suit operations. Number 5. Security is the concern of all personnel regardless of rank, position, designation. Number 6. Active measures. This involves the installation of physical barrier security, lightning, use of vaults, locks, and others. Number 7. Passive measures. Those that will determine from committing such such act of fear, but of being cuffed, charged in court, or get dismissed, such as security, education programs, investigation, seminars, personnel security check. Number 8. Threat and an indication of impending danger of harm, positive inimical acts. Number 9. Hazard, a chance of being injured of harm, passive chemical acts. Number 10. Vulnerability, inability to withstand the effects of a hostile environment. Measure of how open and established to attacks or injury. Number 11. Risk, the potential that chosen actions or activity, including the choice of inaction, will lead to a loss, an undesirable outcome. 12. Security hazard, an act or condition which results in a situation conducive to a breach of protective system and subsequent loss of compromise of damage to personnel, property of facility. Number 13. Man-made hazards, an act or condition affecting the sale of operation of facility, caused by human action, accidental or intentional. 14. Natural hazard, caused by natural phenomena which cause damage. 15. Relative criticality of operation is the importance of the firm, which reference to the institutional economy and security. 16. Relative vulnerability, the susceptibility of the plant or establishment to damage, loss, or disruptions of operation due to various hazards. Barrier can be defined as any structure or physical device capable of restricting, deterring, delaying illegal access to an installation. Number 18. First line of defense, perimeter barrier, fences, a medium of structure which defines the physical limits of an installation or area to restrict or impede access thereto. Number 19. Second line of defense, doors, floors, windows, walls, roofs, and grills. Number 20. Third line of defense, storage system like stead cabinet, safes, vaults, interior files, General types. Okay. Interior files. 21. Natural barrier include mountains, rivers, seas, deserts, or they're difficult to traverse to be fully effective. Structural or man-made barrier. Structural construction made by man, like fences, walls, floors, roofs, grills, or other physical means to deter or impede penetration. Next is number 23 is solid fence constructed such a way that visual access through the fence is denied. Next is wall. Masonry wall should have been the same as the chain link surrounded by the barbed wire as to guard. Full view fence. It is constructed in such a way that visual access to permitted through the fence. Next, entry station provided at main perimeter. Entrances to secure areas located out of doors and manned by guards on a full-time basis. Towers. A house-like structures above the perimeter barrier. Height of tower increase the range of observation during day and night with artificial illumination. Clear zones. Unobstructed areas maintained on both sides of the perimeter barrier. Next, protection in depth. In large open areas or ground where fencing or walling is impracticable and expensive, warning signs should be conspicuously placed. Signs and notice erected were necessary in the management of unauthorized progress and preclude accidental entry.